last. These summer nights when that AC blasting, bars put east to your crazy past. So baby, if you need it, come and get it. Just can't hold this back from you. Now pop this with me.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you guys how I made these illusion nails on myself. This is another polygel set. I've already buffed and filed the nails, so we're just going to hop right in and get started. So today I'll be using my Tomika Pure White Polygel. I got this off of Amazon for I think about $10. I could put the link in the description. So I've already dipped my brush in alcohol and I'm just going to start to move the polygel towards the cuticle. I just cut the cuticle with some alcohol because there was still some dust on it. Usually you would just wash your hands, but I've already gotten started. So like I was saying before, you're just going to want to push it towards the cuticle and drag it down just to make the surface super smooth and get it all around the whole entire nail. I didn't speed up this part because I wanted you guys to see how I'm just dragging the polygel all the way down the whole entire nail, making sure to get it on the sides and just full coverage over the whole entire nail. You want to keep on doing this until you drag all of the excess polygel off, and you can save that if you like. I usually just throw it away unless I'm going to use it on a different nail, but yeah. Now I'm just going to do the same exact thing to my other nails. This is kind of out of focus, but you guys got to see the pinky finger, so I think you guys got the gist of it. I did the other nails off of camera, and this is after I applied the polygel and everything. Now I'm just going to go in with my drill and just clean up the sides and the cuticle area. Now I'm going in with my file and I'm just going to reshape it a little bit and buff out the top of it just to make it more smooth. I did this with all 5 nails and we're just going to get started with my design. So with these nails, I kind of wanted to do kind of like an illusion, trippy type of sense. So I wanted to do the alien from the first picture right there. And as you can see, I'm just taking green gel polish and putting it on my ghetto palette, my paper. And then I'm just going to take my dotting utensil and just start to spread it around the nail like so.
Watch this gon' tear it up.
Now I'm going in with some black gel polish and I'm just going to continue to make that alien character that I showed you guys before. This looks so much like Squidward. OMG. So for the thumbnail, I kind of wanted to do kind of like a dripping rainbow type of look. So right now I'm just gonna outline how the drip will look. Off camera, I did my pointer finger and I just drew some squiggly lines on there with a black gel polish. Now I'm going in on my ring finger with a red gel polish to make some lips, kind of like a smiling face. It looks kind of creepy, but I thought it would look cool for the nail.
You got me so high, taking deep, deep breaths. You get me so high, you get me so high. I know you ain't a drug, but you get me so high, you get me so high.
Now I'm going in with my yellow gel polish to make the smiley face. I'm just going to draw circles on the nail to get the round smiley head.
Still got a bit so high. Weed always on my mind. Now he always on my mind. Dolce. Now you want some of this purr. You ain't gotta say a word. Just spark that, let's get burned. Then we'll roll up 100 fucking.
Now once I'm done with that, it's time for the rainbow effect. So what I did was just take my rainbow colors and I just put them on the piece of paper and spread them out. I wanted them kind of connecting so that I could get that tie-dye look. And I'm going to take a brush and I'm going to get 3 colors on the brush. So first I'm starting with the red, yellow, and the green. I'm just going to dab it onto the nail. I kind of did this out of frame and I'm sorry for that. But you could kind of see how I'm just patting it on the nail and going in like a circular motion to get that tie-dye look. I did this one kind of more in frame, and I'm just gonna, like I was saying before, just rotate the brush around and get it in like a circular motion so that it looks like one of those tie-dye shirts. I did that for all of the other nails, and that completes my rainbow tie-dye look. So these illusion nails were super fun to make, and at the end my palette was super messy. I'm going to show you guys a picture of that in the next slide. Thank you guys for watching. Here's a quick TikTok on what I did.
She sippin' more wet and yeah, I swear it get her wetter. My Louboutins new, so my bottoms they is redder. No, I'm not a rat, but I'm all up on my cheddar. Just talk to your homie, she said we should be together.